Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com. As promised, I have recorded the Drawstring Purse tutorial for you. The entire project will unfold in one video, which will air at 12 p.m. noon on the Sewspire YouTube channel. This bag is prettier than I could have ever imagined. I have added front and rear exterior pockets, an adjustable, removable shoulder strap that'll allow you to wear the bag crossbody or over the shoulder. I have incorporated a full-length zipper pocket into the interior, in addition to 3 shallow slip pockets and a swivel key fob. So I hope to see you at 12 p.m. noon, and I will show you how to make one of these beautiful bags for yourself. See you then.